Good morning. It is Saturday morning for me. This whole work from home thing. Notes for 3-8 today, factoring and GCFs, which you should remember from last year or previous years of your mathematical education. That GCF stands for that greatest common factor. And just in case you forgot, we're going to take a second to write it down because why not have everything we need in one spot, right? Okay, so factors. So factors are just simply numbers. Come on. Numbers, or in this case, this is what makes it a little bit different, variables that are being multiplied. That are being multiplied. That's it. Just things that are being multiplied. And the reason that variables fit into there too is because naturally variables are just numbers that we don't know at this given time. So factors can be numbers or variables. So a little quick example of factors. If I'm looking at factors of 18. Factors of 18 would be things like 1 and 18, or 2 and 9, or 6 and 3, because 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. So when I multiply 2 and 9, when I multiply 6 and 3, those are all considered factors of 18 because when I multiply them, it gives me 18. So factors, just things that are being multiplied. The big difference, like I said, is going to be the fact that we've got variables involved now. And we're looking at those variables, it's just something like when we have 3x, that the factors of 3x are 3 and x because 3 and x are being multiplied right there. So factors, variables are numbers being multiplied. This piece here, factoring, is the inverse or the undoing of distribution. That is extremely important, and that's why distribution itself is very important, and factoring is important because it goes right along with it. And when I say inverse operation or inverse, I mean like the way addition is the inverse of subtraction, the way division is the inverse of multiplication. Distribution and factoring are back and forth like that. One last thing here, one last vocab thing, when it says things like factorization. Factorization simply just means taking out the GCF. So factoring out, taking out, or factoring. My standing desk is not at the right height right now. Factoring out. That's what we mean by taking or factoring out the GCF. And you'll see what that looks like in the next example or the first example.